Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Today's makeup look is inspired from the colors of Frozen. So to keep the video short and just to focus on eye makeup, I'll be skipping few steps, and now let's get into the video. I have prepared my skin, primed my skin. I've done reverse contouring and blush technique and directly using L'Oreal foundation on my face. My shade is 108, and now I'm moving on to the next step. I'm filling in my brows using NYX Cosmetics brow kit. I'm just filling them near to natural, all the sparse area, using an angular brush. If you're on the hunt of a good brush to fill in your brows, give them a beautiful look, then I would recommend get an Anastasia Beverly Hill number 12. Highly recommended. And now let's move on to the next step. Next step will be done using this eyeshadow kit from Juvia's Place. I'm using a pink eyeshadow and placing it on the crease and the outermost corner. While I am placing, you should notice the action. I'm not swinging it. When you place eyeshadow with patting action, you get high payoff of color, and then once you're happy with the color payoff, then you have to blend using a wiper action. That's it. Now the next step is I'm using Milani Cosmetics concealer to cut the crease, or you can say to create a beautiful canvas wherein I'll place the blue color, and I'm using a flat brush to well disperse the concealer. And now let's move on to the next step. For the next step, I'll be using this beautiful metallic blue color on my finger and place it on my eyelid. Once I'm happy with the color payoff, I'll use a kohl pencil on the lower waterline. This is from Maybelline, on both the eyes, and after this I'll use the blue color and smoke it out on the lower waterline. Lighter shade for the innermost corner and the brow bone. Now comes the fun part. I'll be using this blue glitter and I'll place it on my eyelids. This will give this eye look an icy and a dimensional look. Now I'll add a little bit of silver just in the middle of my eye so that my eyes actually look Frozen influenced or inspired, and I'm using a pink lipstick. After that, there's a twist in this makeup. I'm using concealer. Yes, if you're using any glitter or an eyeshadow which has fallout, my recommendation is to use your concealer at the last, and eyelashes. This completes this look. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup look. It was a small tutorial and I hope it was worth watching. If you find my efforts a little worth, kindly give it a like and subscribe. Until we meet next, just keep on enjoying makeup. Take care. Bye bye.